read them.
Yes.
Whoever came to this school before the other one became Index 1.
Okay.
And,
so it was the admission?
It was admission, not in any merit.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
We have our supervisor, Madam Salome.
Salome Abari.
And all these are invigilators. They are 9 of them for KCP and 9 of them for KIPSEA. I would request after you witness the KCP, we also witness KIPSEA so that those babies feel they also, their president Kim. Thank you. So here we are. We have the examination. Now I hand over to the supervisor to do her work.
And make sure we are not late, eh? We are not...
We are actually on time. We are within time.
Okay.
Okay, Your Excellency, sir, and all the protocols observed, thank you for coming. This morning we are witnessing the examination opening and starting the KCP. They are our last balls. We have 166 candidature, and in this room there are 20.
Okay.
Yes.
Asante sana.
Good morning, students. Yeah, with me here, I have the KCP. They are well sealed. I'll give this candidate, Leon Kikonyo, you're going to check for us whether it's open. Flit up and down. Fanya hivi. Tuone kama imefunguliwa. Then I'll also give this one. Check for us. Is it open? Not open. It is sealed.